It's not a Ducati, but it somehow reminds me of Ducati Street Fighter, the liquid street muscle. This machine is crafted by an Italian motorcycle manufacturer, Fantic. Just like its sporty Fed twin, the Amola 125 and 500. Fantic Stealth 125 and 500, both versions looks very similar to the Ducati Street Fighter, especially the headlamps, side panels, fairings, aesthetics and much more. But wait, the interesting part is, both engines are Minarelli powered single-cylinder motor with advanced technical solutions, which are actually sourced from Yamaha. It got ride-by-wire, variable valve actuation, and a race-derived forged piston, who will not love to ride it once. Even the rear tail section, tail light, wind channels reminds me of the Yamaha YZ FR15. The front exhaust header reminds me of few Kawasaki and Honda bikes. It's a keyhole to look at how these engineers and developers look to a 125cc class and a 500cc class from their thought of view, to meet the needs and demand for the present scenario. I mean, it's Fantic and it's fantastic. At the center of the heart, the Stealth 125 packs a 15 HP, 4-stroke, electronic fuel injection motor compliant to E5 plus homologated, also featuring variable valve actuation and a slipper clutch. It got racing exhaust. The complete exhaust system is made of brushed stainless steel and features a high-mounted silencer that clearly reflects the style and inspiration of the racing world. 5-inch TFT display which is modern and technologically advanced, offering a clear and intuitive interface to the rider. An innovative frame. For the first time in a 125cc category, a mixed frame is introduced. It combines the steel trellis structures with a forged aluminum plate, ensures optimal torsional resistance which ensures precise and comfortable handling. The swing arm is entirely made of aluminum, featuring a lower reinforcement strut that maximizes structural rigidity without compromising the overall weight of the vehicle. The front suspension employs a 41mm upside-down forks while rear suspension got adjustable spring preload. High-performance brakes with the oversized 320mm by Bray front disc and a radial caliper and a 230mm at the rear. ABS is standard in the dual independent channel that can be deactivated at the rear wheel. For enhanced safety on curves, optimal cornering ABS is also there. The Pirelli Rosso Diablo 4 tires, the pinnacle of sports tire performance for road use, measuring 150mm at rear and 110mm at front. The MM460 Stealth 500 DOHC unit has very compact dimensions, weighs less than 40 kg, promises excellent responsiveness at all speeds. The declared power is close to the A2 license limit, and the maximum RPM is around 10,000, thanks to a racing-derived forged piston. The ride-by-wire system allows for multiple dedicated engine maps. To centralize mass effectively, the fuel tank is positioned close to the center of gravity, and the heaviest part of the exhaust is located under the engine.